Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to speak about how to get paid worldwide using your local bank accounts. You can get paid and even pay online worldwide. So Payoneer is an online platform, similar like PayPal. So I am going to show you step by step how to create your account for free anywhere around the world and earn rewards. I personally use it for getting paid for CPA networks and affiliate marketing. You can use to pay for Amazon or anything, it's your decision. What you were seeing before was Payoneer's official page, but if you click on my link in the description below it will take you to this page where you can get $25 for free as soon as you sign up for Payoneer through my link. This may be a limited offer or it might change, so if you have 10 minutes follow my step and sign up. This is very simple. On the first page you just need to fill out some simple information like first name, last name and so on. And do not forget to put in details correctly. If you lose your password or add an account they will ask you about your information to know if it is you. I already have an account, so I will just put a fake detail just to show you how it is done, or you don't get lost. Also remember the date of birth that you will put in here. They will ask you to verify that it's you if you lose your account or want to add new bank account. On this page what you will do is just fill out your information again. Your country, address and zip code. At the bottom of this page is where you put in your phone number. And they will send a verification code to you automatically. Again I already have an account so I will fill out information randomly. If you are confused or don't know your zip code you can simply search for your zip code for your country on Google. If you are in Ethiopia just copy mine. So now I am filling out my number. After you fill out your number click on send code, so wait for them to send you a validation code. Usually they don't take a lot of time. We are now on security detail parts. So again it's a simple process. First you put in password. Next you pick any of the security questions available and save your answer below. Pick any security question and put your answer. In here you need to put in a valid ID here. You can put in national ID, passport or driver's license. So put in your unique ID number available on your driver's license or any one them that you choose. You can choose national ID if you want, it's up to you. Don't forget to put in the date on which your ID expires. So finally answer the CAPTCHA and proceed to the next page. This is your final step. You can claim your $25 for free and make money even more. So in here we will be putting on bank account detail and I will explain step by step. Do not click on company details only if you have a company and opening an account for your company. But for individuals like us, click on individual. For your currency you can pick US dollar or they even support most of the country's currency, over 200 countries I think. So as you can see I picked Ethiopia's currency for this tutorial. You can change the details later after you sign up if you want. In here first you enter the name of your bank in your local area that you want to use. In our case it's Commercial Bank of Ethiopia. Then you will put in your full name that is written on your bank account. After that you will put in your account number. Finally you will put in the SWIFT code of your bank. If you don't know the SWIFT code of your bank in your area, you can simply search on Google. Just write your bank's name then SWIFT code. It will show you the SWIFT code of your banks. It's really simple, just copy and paste your SWIFT code. You can dig deep and see more about your SWIFT code. Just make sure it is in your local area and at your city. And at last, you just agree and tick on the terms and submit your application and wait for their email. Usually they will send you an email right away. And you are done. Now you can get paid worldwide and even pay worldwide. Congratulations, now you have gained $25 for free in your Payoneer account and start your online business.